Before competition, I focus on training hard, staying hydrated, and getting enough rest, and visualizing success. The most challenging part of as basketball player is staying mentally taut and handling pressure and continuously improving skills. Problem before, during, and after the game vary from injuries, nerves, thought, and opponents to post the game recovery and analysis. Accepting losses is tough, but I remind myself that it's part of the game. Winning after a loss feels like redemption and motivates me to work harder. The worst practice I endured was probably a girling conditioning session and an intense heat in fact pushed me to limits physical and mentally. My jersey number holds significance to me because it represents my favorite player or has the personal meaning of attached to it. When when frustrated with the referee's decision, I try to stay composed, focused, and on the next play, and use that energy to fuel my performance. One advice from my coach that sticks with me is to always give 100% effort, no matter the circumstances. For someone going out for basketball, I will say practice consistently, listen to your coach, stay dedicated, and never be afraid to make mistakes and learn from them. Basketball has taught me the value of teamwork, discipline, resilience, and the importance of setting goals and working hard to achieve them in all aspects of life.